Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by making sure Drive and your account are ready. Open the Google Drive app and sign in if prompted. This avoids permission issues later. Then locate the photo on your device, either in the Photos app or a folder in Files, and decide whether to upload or share directly from Drive. Once done, tap the blue New button in Drive to upload. This creates a Drive copy you can link to, which ensures consistent access across devices. Now you upload and set sharing controls so the link works as intended. Tap then upload and pick the photo. Drive will add it to my Drive. Next, find the uploaded file, tap the three dots or long press, and choose Share. Change the link access from restricted to anyone with the link if you want broad access, and pick Viewer or Editor depending on permission needs. Finally, use Copy Link. That's the link you'll distribute for others to view or edit the photo. Finish by sending and verifying the link so recipients actually see the image. Paste the copied link into your chat or email and test it in an incognito browser or a different device to confirm access. If it fails, make sure the file's sharing is set to anyone with the link and that your Google storage isn't full, which blocks uploads. If images are large, compress or use Google Photos shared album instead, that often reduces load and permission confusion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.